Still commuting? Still stuck in traffic? It's 2025. Time to start working from home. More people than ever are turning their laptops into a source of income. And the best part? You don't need a degree, fancy background, or years of experience. Just a little time, focus, and internet connection. Real, beginner-friendly ways to work online and earn income from anywhere. Stay with me until the end for the best way to get started today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's talk about why this is happening now more than ever. Flexibility, freedom, and no commuting stress. That's what's pulling people into online work. But more than that, the digital economy is growing fast. In fact, over 150 million people are earning online right now, through freelance work, digital platforms, or remote companies. Companies are outsourcing more tasks than ever before. They're not just hiring full-time employees anymore. They're looking for remote freelancers, virtual assistants, online writers, content creators, and task-based workers. So how can you be one of them? Here are 3 real, proven ways to start working from home in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. 1. Online writing. Jobs. Writing jobs are one of the easiest entry points to remote work. And no, you don't need to be a published author. Simple tasks like editing blog posts, writing short articles, responding to emails, or proofreading can all earn you steady money. What makes this even better is that platforms like ClickEarners actually help connect you to these jobs, even as a complete beginner. You don't have to search endlessly or apply to hundreds of jobs. You just sign up and start accessing opportunities. Imagine writing for an hour or 2 in the morning while enjoying your coffee and getting paid for it. That's possible now. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is where a lot of passive income is being made right now. Affiliate marketing means you promote a product or service, like a tool or training, and when someone signs up through your special link, you earn a commission. What makes this great is you don't need to create your own product. You just focus on marketing, and content is one of the best ways to do that. People are building faceless YouTube channels, TikTok pages, or simple blogs, all promoting tools they use, and every time someone clicks and buys, they earn. You've probably seen these videos and didn't even realize they were using affiliate marketing. The trick is to stay consistent and provide real value. 3. Remote task-based jobs. These are roles like virtual assistant work, data entry, scheduling support, or managing emails for small businesses. More and more companies are open to hiring remotely, globally, because it saves them costs and gives them flexibility. That means even if you're outside the US or UK, you still have access to high-paying clients if you can communicate and stay organized. You don't need high-end skills, you just need reliability, responsiveness, and a willingness to learn. Now let's talk about how you can actually get started. Choose one method to begin with. Writing jobs are great for beginners. Set aside 1 to 2 hours a day, mornings, evenings, or even weekends. You don't need full-time hours to make a difference in your income. Then sign up on a trusted platform where real jobs are listed. This is why I recommend ClickEarners. It's beginner-friendly and designed to help people start earning fast. What makes this even better is that platforms like ClickEarners actually help connect you to these jobs, even as a complete beginner. You don't have to search endlessly or apply to hundreds of jobs. You just sign up and start accessing opportunities. You can click the link to visit to ClickEarners. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a path to freedom, flexibility, and financial growth. Work from anywhere, No boss. Earn extra income. That's the real goal. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. This can be your first step toward freedom. Click the link in the description, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe for daily remote work tips. You got this.